What do you do if a car has no codes, but it's not running right and not getting good fuel economy? Well, we're going to find out an approach to that next.
This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit Mitchell1.com.
This Mitchell 1 SureTrack comes from their database and involves a 2004 Chevrolet Impala. The customer complaint here, it's getting horrible fuel economy. But when the technician brought it in, he couldn't find any codes. So he stuck with horrible fuel economy and not too much information. So he started to look around with the scan tool of the different engine parameters. Everything seemed to be functioning. All the sensors, the oxygen sensor, but once he got down to the long-term fuel trim, he noticed it was pegged negative. So he knows that the engine is running too rich because the ECM is trying to take fuel away by having a negative fuel trim. His next procedure, he hooked up his pressure sensor to the fuel rail, and he noticed a pressure that was higher than normal. This would cause too much fuel to be injected into the engine because the pressure is too high. And no matter how short the fuel injector pulse was, it's going to be getting extra fuel thanks to the extra pressure. So the technician, he replaced the fuel pressure regulator. This cured the vehicle of the rich running condition and eventually brought the fuel trims in line. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.